Okay, what's up, guys? Mikey Guitar is back with an episode of lesson for today, guys. Okay, guys. So for today, I want to show you I want to show you this Highlife song, Sweet Mother. Many of you say I should make some videos on some Highlife's improvisation. Okay, I think this song is a popular song, and many of you know the song, Sweet Mother. Okay, I know. Forget. Okay, many of you know the song. So I'm gonna make the lesson. Okay, I know many of you know the song, so I'm going to do the breakdown of the song and everything I played, okay? So if you know that this is the first time you're watching me on this channel, I would like you to hit on the subscribe button, okay? Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video like this. If you like the video, you can smash on the like button. If you have any challenges, you can hit on the comment section. I'm going to give you the reply as soon as possible. Alright guys, let's move straight into the video. Okay, so I want to play the video in the key of E. So this is how they normally play the song. Sweet mother, I never forget what is so far from me. Sweet mother, I never forget what is so far. Guys, so like you can hear a song there. It's very simple. So the first thing you need to know is that the first thing you need to learn is your double strings, the dual notes. Okay, your do mi re fa mi so. Okay, mi so la so ti. Okay, la do ti re do mi. So we have your mi again. Sorry, we have your. So you have your key of E again. Okay, so if you walk from the one string, you know that you have your E again. Okay, so that is the first thing you need to learn. Then when you learn that do mi re fa mi so va la so ti la do ti re do mi do ti la so la. Okay, after that you play. That is do ti la so la mi re do. Okay, re do. You need to learn the double string very well. So the chord progression there is just do mi re fa mi so fa. Okay, fa la dan 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 dan. Then you come start now from mi so mi re do. You pick from down now. Sorry. Okay. Then you come to your third and the second string from the la ti. Okay, la ti. You slide to the T. La ti. So ti. Okay. Do. Okay. Va. Okay, you can play va do. Okay, so I played another part. So I played another pattern like do, sol, la, mi. Okay. Vala, do, sol, la, mi. Okay, now I play. Okay, so that is a intro there. So that is the intro there. So for the chord progression is very simple. Okay, you just hold your do, then you strum it like this. Down, 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 down. Okay, you hold your vowel chord. That's down, up, down. You add your to, which is your flat 7. Do, la, do. Okay, you hold your do. Va. You play the same strumming. You add your saw. Okay. You hand your saw now. You hold your do again. You come to your saw. Okay. Go to your vowel. Do, no, la, do, do. Okay, so that is it. You just need to know how to strum the chord very well, because the chord is very important for you to strum it very well. Okay. Okay, so that is it. So wherever you don't understand, you can hit it on the comment section. I'm going to give you the reply and make things clear to you, okay? Alright guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.